Hi everyone. I wanted to do a quick video to describe a little bit more around the first roadmap item that we introduced yesterday, the BYOC framework. So as you know, our tokenomics is very different than other chains. Really, our MPC token, you can kind of think of it as more of a governance token, and all of the gas payments for transaction is done using Ethereum, Polygon USDC, and now BNB. You can kind of look at us as maybe even a layer 0 or maybe even a layer 2, while our core base really is a layer 1 chain. And by allowing for the different types of tokens to be used as gas, really introduces interesting use cases. So maybe things like cross-chain bridging or some sort of an aggregation swap tool. But more importantly, it allows other chains to utilize our core technology that is based on years of research, MPC, multi-party computation, to be usable as a service if another application in a chain really wants to take advantage of it. And that was the main concept behind it, right? And so, our vision really was that interoperability is important, that in order for the blockchain industry to continue to move forward, it would have to be done through collaboration rather than competition. So that's the reason why the BYOC model was created, and why it is extremely important to us to allow the flexibility of other assets to be usable in our chain, and to do that in a very quick and easy manner. So this framework really is designed to allow anyone to be able to make a proposal to onboard a ERC20 or a BEP20 token that is running on their respective chains, and have that be an asset that is usable in the Partisia blockchain ecosystem. So the way this works is that a user will deploy a smart contract using a template that we will provide, and deploy that in the Ethereum chain or in the Binance Smart Chain. Then the user will create a proposal, and the proposal on our side will include a smart contract on our side, which again is driven by a template with some additional information like the initial starting price of what that token will be. And things like the coin symbol, et cetera, et cetera. And make that proposal and submit that proposal to the node operators. Our node operators will then get a chance to vote on that proposal. They'll review the contracts, make sure that it looks sound, and vote on the proposal. And if it passes, then the contract launches, and the coin or the token becomes an asset on our chain. So through this framework, what we're enabling is, number one, a very easy way for anyone to introduce a token on our chain. It gives that power back to the community, to the developers, and offers a chance for the node operators to make a decision on whether or not that particular token is worthwhile. So for example, maybe a node operator will be very interested in seeing like a WBTC to be a usable asset in our chain, but maybe they're not super happy with introducing Shiba. Or who knows, maybe Shiba will be an interesting asset in our network. The choice really will be up to the community, to you guys, to make the decision on onboarding an asset into our chain. So I hope that people will be excited to use this feature. We're preparing to launch this functionality probably sometime in the third or fourth quarter of this year. As we get closer to the launch, we will publish instructions, the templates that are needed, and probably will guide the first few implementations from start to finish. I hope you guys are excited about this as much as I am. And if there are any questions about it, please feel free to reach out to us in our Telegram channels or our Discord channels, or please visit our website for additional information. Thank you.